Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning face recognition in Python. For that you have to install OpenCV module. OpenCV is a source computer vision and machine learning library which contains 2500 algorithms. These algorithms are useful for face recognition and detection of a face. Now open your Anaconda prompt and write down the command. Pip install OpenCV Python and pip install OpenCV contrib Python. Now your CV2 module is installed in your Anaconda prompt. Now open the Anaconda prompt and start coding. You have to download a hair cascade file from GitHub. The name is hair cascade underscore frontal face underscore default.xml file and maintain these files in your desktop and name the folder as face recognition. Now open your Jupyter notebook and start coding. Firstly, we will be recognizing a given face from the given image. And the second phase is we will be predicting my face by training the machine by giving my different images. And third part is we will be recognizing my face from the webcam. Now we will be recognizing a face from a given image. For that you have to import OS module and import CV2 module, import numpy as NP because whatever face is detected is in the form of numpy array. Define the function as face detection which will take the image. We will first convert those image into a gray image, and after converting we will forward this to a classifier that we have downloaded from the GitHub, because this classifier has many packages and many dependencies that will check with its dependencies. After specifying the face, return those to the image. Now pass the image for which you have to detect the face. Whatever face is detected, you pass this image. Print the face detected. Let me run this file. You can see that my face is detected over here, and you can play with this scale factor. If I will increase the scale factor by 0.02, let's see. It start detecting these both two faces. You can play with this scale factor and you can select according to your requirement. And these are the function to resize the image. For that you can resize your image and you can wait for how much second or how much long you have to wait inside the window. Let me pass another image and show you. As you can see that as I passed another image, you can see that my friend face is also detected. This is the way you can detect a face in a given image. Now second part, we will be recognizing my face or predicting my face by providing my previous images. So you can see that I have created my file in this where I have maintained my previous images. On the basis of this I can predict my images. As you can see that in the program there are many methods defined in this. I will be giving this code on my GitHub account. From there you can download this. Let me run the code where I will be predicting my images by providing my previous images. The only change from the previous file is here a training data.yml file is created where all your training data is managed. When you pass this, you can see that different images are recognized on the basis of that and different faces are detected. Let me pass these images where it can predict my image. As you can see that two faces are detected and my label is also present here. Let me pass another images of my friend. Here the same thing happened, and you can see that my image is recognized over it. And the last thing that I will be doing is recognizing my face from the webcam. From this you and the last part is recognizing my face from the webcam. The only change is you have to capture the image from the video capture, and it will be changing at every bit second. For that we have used a function called video capture. Here it is written 0 because we are using the webcam. If you use external camera, then you have to change the number to 1, and accordingly you can use that. Let me run this code and you can see that